I wanted fried rice so bad I could taste it, and shrimp, and lots of protein, and healthy fats, and no rice because I'm keto. Rice cauliflower steeped in green tea, you say? Oh, yeah. That floral flavor mimics jasmine rice beautifully. Um, Per usual, cook that cauliflower rice till it's dry. As you all know, you can head over to daddyketo.com and get the full recipe over there. I can go into far more detail than I can on a video like this because I jabber too much. That's really what's going on. Got some green beans in there, chilies. I had a lot of chilies. I'm a spicy meatball. I like my food to hurt a little bit. I like everything to hurt a little bit. Yeah, that's beside the point. As you can see, we added our garlic late in the game. We did that so we didn't burn it and go bitter. Some tamari, some eggs. Um, I'm sure you guys all had fried rice before. You know the game here. We're cooking those shrimp for no more than 3 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm not even kidding you about that. If you cook them too much longer than that, they get gross, man. They get gummy or hard, and I just don't want them like that. Can't spend all this time for nothing. Um, this was absolutely killer. It was a triumph. It touched me deeply. I hope you'll head over to daddyketo.com and get the recipe for yourself. Check it out. Make it for yourself. Beginning to end, guys. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. This was done. This delicious, sumptuous dish was done. And I'm hungry, so I'm just going to keep eating it. So, yeah, go. See you later.